Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can design interior space in Canva with AI. All you have to do now, you can open Canva app. This is the desktop version. You can download it for free from official website. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Let's get started by click apps. Then click AI powered. Now you can scroll down and try to find AI room design. So AI room design created by No Friends Limited. You can use AI to design your interior space, create your dream home with AI design tools. Simply upload a photo of your room or home, pick from over different design styles, and get instant access to stunning interior and exterior design idea. Click to use any design. And here you can upload an image or select one of your design. For example, let's choose this one. I got this picture from Pixabay, and here type you can choose type of room like living room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom, office, kitchen, basement, outdoor patio, and gaming room. Let's try a dining room. Modern, vintage, industrial, summer, professional, tropical, coastal, neoclassic, or tribal. Let's try with a industrial. Click generate. The image has been uploaded successfully, so this design currently rendering. Please wait a few seconds. And here we go. This is the result: industrial dining room. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and support this button below. See you in the next video.